Hello everyone, welcome back to another question from series of 30 Days of Pandas. Today we are going to solve the question find total time spent by each employee, and the whole question is asking us to find how much time the employee is spending in the office, and you have employee ID, the event day per day, they want the information in time and out time. And it mentions that we should write a solution that calculate the total time in minutes. So we have in time and out time, and when we minus them, we get the time that is spent for that entry. And we should consider that within one day, an employee can enter and leave more than once. And so you have this in time and out time that you can calculate the total time for each entry that you have for the employee ID and that day. And then you can have multiple time that employee in that day comes and goes out. And in the final result, what we want is the specific day, the employee ID, and the total time that we have in the office. In order to do that, as the first step, we just calculate the total time for each entry for each employee ID. So we have employee total time, which is equal to employee out time minus employee in time. Then we start to build the return that we want. So we take the employee data frame. Actually, sorry, it's employees. So the dictation problem. And then what we want to take from this table is that similar to the output, we want the event day, we want the employee ID, and now that we calculated the total time, we don't have anything to do with the out time and in time. Then if you take a look at the output, you see that the event day become the day. So we need to rename this column, and we set the event day with the new name day. And now what we need to do is that we need to do the group by. For the group by, we need to consider day and employee ID, because we want to return the total time that each employee in each day have been in the office. And since we need these two information, day and employee ID, as an index, so we set the as a column, we set the as index to false, and then we aggregate the information that we have. So we are going to use the total time for each of these rows that we have, and we need to sum them to get the result that we need. And let's see. And as we see, the output expectation is a bit different. So we have the day, then employee ID for each of them. But in this case, we have the employee IDs sorted. So the output, the type of the view is different, but the output is the same. So okay, submit. And that's it. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please ask them in the comment section. And if you like my videos, please help me by liking them and by subscribing to the channel. Thank you.